I got some goodies in the mail, so starting with ASOS and then we'll end with EGO Shoes. Let's get into the good stuff. First, I got this cute little orange zipper shirt, something that looked like Kim Possible. I could have sworn I got this in like an extra small or a small, but this mug said extra small. So I'm kind of glad that it does zip down, so that way it doesn't like suffocate me, because I'm just like, man, this mug look tiny, but we're gonna see if I can get it because I ain't even tried it on. Next, I got this white turtleneck crop top just because I need these to go underneath like my dresses for the winter time. So yeah, got it. Next, from ASOS, as said in previous hauls, I'm obsessed with this whole Collusion brand, and they had this reversible puffer coat, so it's like orange on one side and then plaid on the other. Now what the model had on his jacket, he had the plaid on the outside and the orange on the inside, which is what I intended to do, but there's a freaking tag like on the back of it. His, I don't see the tag on the back of his. Like if it would have been like on the pocket, because I do like that it has pockets on both sides of the jacket, but this tag right here is just blowing me. Like I'm figuring if I'm gonna cut it out or if I'm just gonna like rock it because it's a part of the brand. Not really sure yet, but like I said, 2 coats in one, and it was on sale. Ah! Yes. So this is another like top from Collusion. Like I said, I love Collusion because I don't like dressing like everybody. Like I like wearing stuff that people don't wear, and this is like a new brand, so not that many people are wearing it. So stocked up on this like one shoulder bodysuit. I wore a bodysuit, one shoulder bodysuit the other day. People gave me hella compliments, so I figured I look good in bodysuits. I went and got this one. Oh, so I got these Collusion biker shorts because in my other haul video where I got like the signature blue tee, I figured I would need some like cute little Collusion. Well, I wanted biker shorts in general, and then I saw Collusion had some, so I was just like, oh my god, perfect, need, got them. Again, as stated in several hauls, I have a thing for joggers, so I got these black, like, I don't know what these trash bag looking like black joggers are, but like I said, they're Collusion. They have pockets. Oh, they have a pocket, so that's cute. I've never really had joggers with pockets, but oh my god, they have pockets on each. Okay, that's perfect. So like that they have pockets, and it says rip off with a like bar scan code. I'm gonna go to like Target and Walmart, or you know, I'm going to like Walmart or Target and see what this barcode is about, see what it scans as, if it scans anything. But like I said, I just wanted joggers. I had a lot of Collusion, so I figured I needed some Collusion joggers, so these are right up my alley. So I got this authentic affirmation tee to go with that little like black spaghetti strap little dress that I got, just because I thought this would be like a cute little t-shirt to wear in it to be like casual in, and you know, just a cute little throw on t-shirt, you know, whenever I just want to have something to throw on. Authentic, I liked it. Acid wash is in, and this is cute. Like I said, somebody gave me, you know, several people gave me compliments on bodysuits, so I went and stocked up on like these one shoulder bodysuits, and I figured this little strap over here is slender, sexy. See where I'm going? And the last thing that I got is just a basic black mock neck turtleneck shirt. Like I said, I got this in black just because this is super cute to go into like your dresses for the winter time, so got one in black too. First pair of shoes that I got from EGO Shoes are these lime green strappy heels. These are the lime green version of the like glow heels that I got from EGO Shoes. But I have a lot of this like neon lime green color, slime green color, so I figured I may as well just go ahead and invest in a cute little shoe to rock. Oh, and also, you go get her blog partner with EGO Shoes. The last thing that I'm going to show in this haul are these boots from EGO Shoes. I really like the combat boot look because I'm very like edgy, grungy. That's totally my style. So like I said, on my tomboy days when I want to relax shoe, I couldn't quite find a sneaker that I would want to wear with everything, but I knew I would wear boots. So got these, love these, perfect for every season. So yeah, I like them. So that concludes this haul video. Check the description box for more. Stay tuned in by subscribing. I'll holler at y'all later. And no, literally, I had to fight for this coat. Like, I was on ASOS shopping for like maybe 2 or 3 hours, and they only hold your bag for an hour. I found out while I was shopping online. So then, like, this was the last small, and it got like taken out of my cart. So that means somebody else was able to buy it, but I guess they were shopping as long as I was, because then the cart ended up kicking it out of their cart. Once I saw it again, I was just like, forget everything, check out now, because I needed this, and I'm glad I won. I got the coat. Now let me see if I can get the sleeve out. There we go. Okay. Like, seriously, I got like a big old bag of crap. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So, where's? Oh. Spit. Oh my gosh. Okay, will I really be doing this? I'm gonna do all of this now. I got cold. Whatever. Oh, I'm down to the last two. And the last thing that I got. This ain't even the last thing, because I still gotta show my shoes. So check the description box for discount codes, links, and all that good stuff.